Hi, this is Sean from Hertels Coins, and today we're going to be talking about Carson City Morgan Dollars that have been straight on fire. So please join us. Today we're going to be talking about Carson City Morgan Dollars. Like all Morgan Dollars, Dollars right now are very, very hot in the market. The prices on them have grown exponentially if you've been paying attention in the market. And what's really hot is Carson City Morgan Dollars. Carson City Morgan Dollars are one of the most collectible Morgan Dollars there are for the series, and everybody's always looking for them. So I got a few examples. Got some PCGS ones and ones that were just recently graded by NGC. So let's start off. First up, we got an 80cc. This is a Carson City Morgan Dollar. Very nice example of an 80cc. The cc for Morgan Dollar started in 78, and this one's an 1880cc. And this one's graded 63 plus by NGC. PCGS used to break them out of holders and actually put them in a label that says GSA, but now they keep them in case. NGC's always kept them in their original black casing for the CC Morgan Dollars. Next up for the GSAs, we have an 1882 CC Morgan Dollar. This one's also graded by NGC as MS63. Very nice coin. Now we're going to talk about some PCGS graded ones. Just recently purchased these. First up, we have another 1880cc Morgan Dollar. Very nice, clean cheeks. Couple little marks. And you notice by Carson City Morgan Dollars, a lot of them has bag marks showing on the face compared to other mints. But this one is graded by MS64. So it's a very nice white example of an 1880cc Morgan Dollar. Next up, we have the next year, 1881 Carson City Morgan Dollar. Again, very nice white Morgan Dollar. And again, all these coins will be available on our website, hertelscoins.com, if you're ever interested in purchasing your own graded Carson City Morgan Dollar. And this one is MS64 plus. Almost a 65. But it's a very nice example of an 1881. Next, we're going to start in the 90s series, 1890 and up. Normally 1890s is a harder to find Carson City. And this example is an 1890 Carson City Morgan Dollar. Again, white coin. This one is graded a 63. Next up, we have another 90cc. Another white example of a 90cc in a PCGS holder. And this one is an MS63. Very nice coin. Then we got a 91cc. Very nice white coin. And in this example, you see it's a VAM, but it's a very common VAM for a 91cc. It's a little thing by its mouth right there. And they call this the Spitting Eagle. It is a VAM 100 variety, but a very common variety for 91cc's. In my experience, about half the 91cc Morgan Dollars are a Spitting Eagle. And this one is attributed as such in an MS63 holder. Next up, we have another 91cc Morgan Dollar. Again, this one's not attributed as much. Attributed is the same one, but this one is also a Spitting Eagle, as you can see. and this one's an MS63. Reason is this doesn't say Spitting Eagle on it. Usually when you send them in, you have to pay extra service fees to have a van variety put on your holder for Morgan Dollar. And for some person like this that had it graded, the Spitting Eagle's not worth much more. Half the time it's not worth paying the extra attribute to have it done. But this is also another example of a Spitting Eagle, 1891 Carson City Morgan Dollar. Last up, we have a rare Morgan Dollar. This is an 1893 Carson City Morgan Dollar. Nice white coin, slightly circulated. You see a little bit of wear in the feathers and a little bit on the hair, but still a very nice white example of a 93 Carson City Morgan Dollar. And this one is a PCGS Gold Shield AU55. So that's all I have the Carson City for you, Morgan Dollar Carson Cities. I thought I'd bring some out, show some examples of them. These will be available on our retail websites. If you have any comments, just please comment below. Always like our videos, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I hope I see you guys in the next video. Thank you.